Welcome again in Pharmascope. If you've ever been concerned about stretch marks or if you've noticed them appearing on your body, you're definitely not alone. Whether it's due to pregnancy, growth, rapid weight changes, or even bodybuilding, stretch marks are something many of us experience. But don't worry, today we'll be diving into how you can prevent stretch marks and keep your skin looking smooth and healthy. Have you ever noticed stretch marks on your body? Or are you looking for ways to prevent them? Let's explore this together. So, what exactly are stretch marks? Stretch marks, also known as striae, are scars that appear when the skin is stretched rapidly. This causes the underlying layers of the skin to tear, resulting in those distinctive lines that you might see on your stomach, thighs, or other areas of your body. For example, when I was pregnant with my second child, I noticed red streaks on my belly. This was my skin stretching rapidly to accommodate my growing baby. At first, I was worried, but once I understood why they happen, I felt a lot better about it. These marks often start off as reddish or purple streaks, but over time, they usually fade to a silver-white color. The good news: they aren't harmful at all. They're just your skin adjusting to changes. So why do stretch marks appear? There are several common reasons. Pregnancy: as your belly grows, the skin has to stretch quickly. Rapid weight gain or loss: this can occur if you gain or lose weight suddenly. Puberty: when your body grows quickly during adolescence, stretch marks can appear. Bodybuilding: increasing muscle mass to quickly can stretch your skin. Have you ever gone through any of these changes? If so, it might explain why you've noticed stretch marks appearing. But don't worry, there are ways to prevent them. Now let's get to the good stuff. How can you prevent stretch marks? There are actually several things you can do to keep your skin healthy and prevent those marks. From appearing: moisturize regularly. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential for maintaining its elasticity. Have you tried using coconut oil, shea butter, or vitamin E oil? These natural products help keep your skin soft and flexible, reducing the chances of stretch marks forming. I used coconut oil every day when I was pregnant, and although I still got some stretch marks, I found that they weren't as severe as I feared. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out. Do you drink at least 8 glasses of water a day? Staying hydrated helps maintain skin elasticity. Avoid rapid weight changes. One of the main causes of stretch marks is sudden weight gain or loss. Have you been trying to lose weight quickly? Instead of crash dieting, aim for gradual and steady changes to help prevent skin stretching too quickly. Eat a healthy, nutrient-rich diet. Your skin needs certain nutrients to stay healthy. Are you getting enough vitamin C, zinc, and silica? These nutrients help boost collagen production, which is crucial for skin elasticity. Try eating more fruits, leafy vegetables, and nuts to support your skin. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight but also improves blood circulation, keeping your skin nourished and healthy. Are you exercising regularly? Gradual muscle growth through strength training can help prevent rapid stretching of your skin. Let's clear up some common myths about stretch marks. Myth number 1: only women get stretch marks. Fact: stretch marks can affect anyone, regardless of gender. Men who experience rapid weight gain or muscle growth can also develop them. Myth number 2: stretch marks only happen during pregnancy. Fact: while pregnancy is a common cause, stretch marks can also appear during puberty. Weight gain or bodybuilding. Myth number 3: stretch marks can be completely eliminated. Fact: unfortunately, once stretch marks appear, they can't be completely removed. However, they do fade over time, and there are treatments that can help minimize their appearance. If you already have stretch marks, don't worry, there are several treatments available that can help reduce their appearance. Laser therapy. Laser treatments can stimulate collagen production and improve the appearance of stretch marks. It's most effective when used on newer stretch marks. Microdermabrasion. This procedure exfoliates the skin's top layer to help improve its texture and reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Chemical peels. Similar to microdermabrasion, chemical peels exfoliate deeper layers of the skin, helping to promote collagen production. Prescription retinoid creams. Retinoids can help improve skin texture and elasticity, though they should not be used during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Now, let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions about stretch marks. Question 1. Can I completely get rid of stretch marks? Answer: unfortunately, once stretch marks appear, they cannot be entirely eliminated. However, their appearance can be reduced with treatments like laser therapy, microdermabrasion, and topical creams. Question 2. Do men get stretch marks too? Answer: absolutely. Men can get stretch marks, especially if they gain muscle mass rapidly or experience weight fluctuations. Question 3. Do oils and creams really prevent stretch marks? Answer: while oils and creams can help moisturize the skin and improve its elasticity, they cannot guarantee that stretch marks will never appear. However, they can significantly reduce the risk. Stretch marks are a completely normal part of life, and they don't have to be a source of worry. By moisturizing, staying hydrated, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you can minimize the appearance of stretch marks or even prevent them from appearing in the first place. If you've tried any of these methods or have your own experience with stretch marks, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below and let me know what worked for you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your skin is unique and beautiful just as it is.